Okay, so we're just going to give you a quick view of what we do on how they hook these electric melters up. Here's a cord, a pigtail cord that pretty well every machine gets. So this is what your electrician's basically going to do. I'm not an electrician. They're very simple to hook up. He would go to his electrical panel, three-phase panel, and he'd have to wire in either a plug like this one or one that, two pigtail ends that go into a transformer. So one wire into your panel here. Tighten it up. Black wire. Tighten that up. We use a white wire for the blue, same thing. Tighten that up. Brown wire. That's basically how they're going to wire these things into the panel. Then they're going to take the other end that we'll send you. This end's from the melter. That's it. That's basically what they got to do to plug these units in. Right now, how these machines are heated up with these heating elements that are right here. There's two of them in each machine. This is a 60-gallon unit. It's our smallest. It's basically the same as our 110, and then we've got even bigger machines, 210s. Anyway, this is what the element looks like outside of the machine. There's two of those in each melter. Now we'll show you the control box. Basically opens up like that. This is your temperature controller. It operates the temperature of the material automatically. These two units operate each element. We'll turn this on in a minute. Otherwise, here's inside the melter. I don't know if you can see in there, there's our agitator. I'm just going to go plug that agitator in. It's on this electric motor, very quiet. We've already plugged it in. I'll just turn it on. There's your agitation. Same as all of our melters. We'll just leave that running. Okay, agitator is still working away, very quiet. Now we're going to turn the unit on. A little on-off switch right here. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Right now it's set for 79 degrees. It's 66 degrees Fahrenheit inside the melter. These are your heating elements here at 70 and 73. They are now heating up. The machine is on. The only buttons you got to push on these things is right here, the up and down arrow. Right now we're at 79 degrees. We're asking for 79 degrees. It's at 66, so it's on. You push the down arrow. That's going to go drop below 66. Now it's going to shut off. That's the only two buttons you got to push on this machine to make it work. The on-off switch and these two buttons, and then the agitator. All the electric melters have two sets of gauges. The auto temp gauge, which is digitally controlled, and then we've got, which operates from this thermocouple, and then we've got this here gauge here. Shut it off. Which is a manual gauge, just to double check with. On the other end of the machine is the material tap valve. All the same. You get your hot rubber right out of here. And there it's closed. They're all on these caster wheels. I'm just going to shut this melter off for a minute. Unplug it. I'm going to shut the lid. I'll shut this door here. I'll turn it off. I'll shut the door. This folds down. I'll unplug the melter. Simple as that. And then we'll just move it over to the next spot that we want to work. It moves very nicely. And that's about it for this little video.